I know deep up my feelings for you. Watch.
My good people, and welcome back to Reality Latest Gist. Welcome back to your #1 channel for latest news on politics and many other cocoa wey dey sup for inside this our green white green country, so we be Nigeria. And just like we normally do, Reality Latest don't come with another latest. We now don't come with breaking news, we don't come with update to like share give the general public. And the cocoa now we say the Edo State Ministry of Environment and Sustainability now don't commence an on-the-spot assessment of a Kundayo street for inside Ekai of Sapele Road, Benin City. And men now they do this assessment because say men wey dey stay for the environment now don't too complain about persistent flooding for the area. Complain now don't too come board say get as they be where rain fall, e no dey nice at all. And now one countryman wey dey go by the name Mr. Jude Ekpo, he na the permanent secretary for the Edo State Ministry of Environment and Sustainability. Now this country person so now they confirm the informate they give to the people. Now they confirm am now they give men for inside Edo State. Say men now don't they assess the area, say them now don't dispatch a team. And the duty, the assignment of this team are to go carry out physical evaluation. The purpose of this team now to visit the area and to gather information on the areas that will require immediate intervention. Now, these men now their work now to go touchlight the environment, and last they come report back to the ministry. And their report back to the ministry now to tell the ministry the area where we say don't waste pass, the area where we say men now need to start work immediately. And normally men they believe very well say after the report, after the on-the-spot assessment where the ministry don't carry out, so they go start to do the needful. They go start to work on the road. And no be lie, my good people. Before now, residents for the area now don't they show concern. Them now don't to complain about the impact of the flooding on their daily lifestyle. And them now they complain, them now they let men they know say the issue don't lead to sufficient displacement. According to one country person for the area, as in they talk to the people, they now they let men now they know say many landlords and tenants for the area don't relocate because of the situation. Normally, it takes the special grace of God for a countryman to live for environment to be say flood they normally the plaster. And that same country person now constantly let Tori people and the general public know say the flood itself don't negatively affect both human being and vehicular movement for the streets. Because last nobody fit access the area, nobody fit access the streets where the thing don't be. And still on the matter, another country person, another resident of the environment where they go by the name Madam Isabella Awani, come the yarn they give Tori people. She now can describe one recent incident we play for the environment where we say a child, one pikin, now small remain the flood water for just wash and throw away. But now bystanders, now countrymen waiting for the environment, countrymen waiting for the area, now no gun green, those kind levels happen, and the country person now save the girl. And in confirmation to wetin the first country person been tell Tori people, another country person where they go by the name Engineer Godfrey Adima, he na con the yarn they give Tori people, he na con the let men they know say students and professionals for the area they don't move out finish. Them now know the area again, they don't pack out. And that na sake of difficulty of accessing the street during rainfall. Oga Godfrey constantly let men they know say the proper thing for men now to do for the environment na a construction of a proper drainage system and water collection points. Say that one go address the problem and it go restore access to the area. And normally sake of say the thing now no make sense at all. Sake of say this development, if was no be small. Many country people then get many things to talk about the matter. Many country people tell Tori people their grievances. Them now yarn they give men wetin they face for inside the area. But however, my good people, the ministry their assessment, men they expect, men they believe. Say last after the assessment now, government go respond on the matter and possibly infrastructural work go commence. Since the governor of Edo State to be Senator Monday Okpebholo na man we come to do nice things for Edo State people. Since the governor of Edo State na man will be saying he want to put Edo State at the top, he want to restore Edo State past glory. It go good making listening to this informate. It go good making listening to the cries of Edo State people. And making no waste time at all. Make them dive into action so that men go get joy for the area. And last, it go still promote his goodwill. It go still promote his name. And many men go join body to the reason him as a good governor. Man will come to do nice things. Man will come to help the general public. But no matter the matter, my good people, anyhow this informate be you for body, or if you be say you get contributions about the matter, no let anybody or anything stop you. Feel free make you drop your comments inside our comment section. But no matter the matter, my good people, anyhow this informate be you for body, or if you be say you get contributions about this very particular topic, so no let anybody or anything stop or intimidate you. feel free make you put down your comment inside our comment section. Meanwhile, Reality Latest Gist still get another latest. We still get another update wey we go like share give the general public. And the koko now be say the Edo State government and the People's Democratic Party don begin dey trade words again, and this time around na sake of Governor Monday Okpebholo declaration of kick-starting our President Bola Ahmed Tinubu's re-election campaign. And no be lie, my good people, Governor Monday Okpebholo make the declaration on Wednesday when he receive another member of the Edo State House of Assembly, and this country person dey go by the name C'ny0UT. And Oga C'ny0UT been defect from the People's Democratic Party go the ruling All Progressive Congress for inside Edo State. But however, sake of the matter, the Edo State People's Democratic Party for inside statements now wey dem drop on Sunday by their publicity secretary wey be Chris Nehekiari, dem na come dey yarn say dem wey be the PDP dem dey very much disappointed on the governor of Edo State wey be Senator Monday Okpebholo. Say the declaration of the governor was very much reckless. PDP now dey let men dey know for inside their statement say the action of the governor and his comments dey contravene section 94(1) of the Electoral Act 2022, which explicitly states that the period of campaigning in public by every political party shall commence 150 days before polling day and it will end 24 hours prior to the election day. That is for the governor of Edo State now, wey be Senator Monday Okpebholo, to begin the campaign for our President Bola Ahmed Tinubu re-election for inside the year 2027 is very much wrong. It's against the law. And the PDP now dey let men dey know for inside their statement say it is very much troubling and deeply embarrassing. Say Senator Monday Okpebholo, wey supposed to be a custodian of the rule of law, dey kick off campaigns nearly 2 years ahead of legally allowed period. And this is not only illegal, but it dey also set a dangerous precedent for abuse of power and disrespect for our constitution and constitutional democracy. But however, my good people, in response now to wetin the PDP now dey yarn about the matter, the chief press secretary to the governor of the state don come outside come drop statement, and for inside him statement now him dey accuse the PDP of misinterpreting the things wey Governor Monday Okpebholo talk. And for inside the statement of the chief press secretary to the governor of Edo State wey be Senator Monday Okpebholo, dem now dey yarn say the governor of the state no get any time wey him violate any section of the Electoral Act, including section 94(1) as falsely alleged. He said the governor, like every well-meaning Nigerian, get the right to express support for the president's vision and administration. Inna the yarn dey give men say in PDP their desperate move now to stay relevant, they don begin to dey twist every statement wey dey come out from the mouth of Governor Monday Okpebholo just to score cheap political points. Say the statement of the governor was made in context of strengthening collaboration with federal government for development of Edo State. So this, my good people, now the information I wan share give the general public. Now I believe very well say onto this information so many country people go get lots of things to talk about. So no let anybody or anything stop or intimidate you. Anyhow the matter be you for body, or if you be say you get contributions about this very particular topic, so feel free make you drop your comments inside our comment section. Once again, now we be Reality Latest Gist, and I would like give on our latest news on politics and many other koko wey dey sup for inside this our green country, so maybe Nigeria. And now if you be say you gbado this update and you go like to dey receive more, then sharply make you subscribe to Reality Latest Gist, and don't forget to put on the notification bell so that as we dey bring more news dey come your side, now you go first receive the update and you go even get am sharp.